Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to see more on Jenkins. We have seen how to create Jenkins job, run basic jobs, integrate with GitLab etc. Today we are going to find out more on Jenkins distributed architecture. We will be adding Jenkins slave machine to the master Jenkins server and will run the job on the Jenkins slave. This tutorial is split into two parts. One for Windows slave setup and another for Linux slave setup. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and like my video. The first step is to log into Jenkins portal, go to Manage Jenkins and click on Manage Nodes. Here we'll be able to see if any Jenkins slaves are configured. Currently we are able to see only Jenkins master, as it is the default Jenkins installation machine. We will see how we can add Windows slave machine to Jenkins. Follow along. Create a new node, enter the slave name and an important parameter is label. The name which you give in label will be used in jobs to control the jobs that need to be configured to respective slave. Give a workspace location which you want the jobs to save the files in Windows slave. For the usage, you can restrict the slave to run only when the job specifies the label, or depending upon the load, master can route the jobs to slaves anytime. Launch method is used to connect master to slave. Here you able to see only two options now. Another option is missing because you need to enable the TCP ports. Go to Configure Global Security and enable TCP port for inbound agents. You can use random port or give a dedicated port. I have used the port 50,000. Once you complete the configuration of the slave node, you will be able to see three options to connect the slave to the master. We will use the Java launch agent and will show you using the command line. Java Launch Agent is simple and you can also create Jenkins service. If you get access error when creating service, make the file jenkinsslave.exe as administrator under compatibility mode. Follow along. Now let's create a simple job and let's make the settings so that the job will run only on the Windows slave. Also the build will be running on the Windows slave machine. What does that mean is that all files and workspace will be on the slave machine. Great, we are done with the configuration of Windows Slave with Jenkins Master. Jenkins Master can load balance its job using the labels now. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and give your comments on the video.